With this video, we aim to help you choose the right telescope for you. Let's start observing. Gskyer telescope, 70mm aperture, 400mm mount AZ. This refracting telescope has a focal length of 400mm and an aperture of 70mm, making it ideal for observing the stars and moon. The fully coated optical glass lens with high transmittance coating provides clear and bright images. You can increase magnification with 2 interchangeable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens. The 5x24 finder binoculars also make it easy to find celestial objects. The wireless remote control and smartphone adapter make exploring the sky even easier. The main feature of our OptonGuide channel is to highlight the features of the products and explore the positive and negative aspects for you. Let's get on with it without wasting any time, shall we? Positive reviews. 1. This telescope is perfect for beginners exploring the heavens. The 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length gave me a clear view of the planets and lunar craters. 2. I started using the telescope shortly after taking it out of the box. The assembly of the parts is very simple and the instructions are very clear. 3. The telescope is portable, so I can easily take it to different observation sites. It has become indispensable on family camping trips. 4. My children have become more interested in space and astronomy. This telescope is a great tool to encourage their curiosity. 5. In this price range, the image quality and features offered by the Gskyer telescope are really impressive. It is definitely good value for money. Negative reviews. 1. Some of the plastic parts of the telescope feel quite fragile and low quality. I expected a more robust construction. 2. The viewfinder was difficult to adjust and often lost its settings. This wastes time when observing. 3. The focus cannot be adjusted properly and this prevents a clear view of some celestial objects. A more precise focus and mechanism would be nice. 4. It is a little disappointing that the package does not include extra accessories such as more eyepieces or a Barlow lens. As a starter kit, it could be more comprehensive. 5. If you live in an area with city lights, the telescope's ability to observe the night sky is quite limited. Let's keep the momentum going with another product. With a focal length of 600mm and an aperture of 80mm, this portable refracting telescope collects more light to produce brilliant images of the sky. The 25mm and 10mm eyepieces provide 24x and 60x magnification. A 3x Barlow lens increases this magnification even further. The 5x24 finder scope also makes it easy to find your targets. The adjustable tripod and wireless remote control make it extremely convenient and portable. So let's have a look at the reviews together. Positive reviews. 1. The 80mm aperture and 600mm focal length allowed me to observe celestial objects such as the moon, planets and even some star clusters with clarity and detail. 2. The telescope is very easy to set up and very comfortable to use. It is ideal for the novice observer. 3. The lightweight and easy portability allows me to take it anywhere. Perfect for outdoor observing. 4. The overall structure of the telescope is robust and made from good quality materials. I found it to be resistant to external factors. 5. The extra eyepieces and Barlow lens supplied with this telescope have expanded my observing capabilities and allowed me to have a richer observing experience. Negative reviews. 1. I wish the viewfinder was of better quality as it is difficult to adjust and often slips. 2. The focusing mechanism could be more precise. I have difficulty fine-tuning it, which detracts from the viewing experience. 3. It needs to be readjusted frequently, wasting time during observations. 4. When used under city lights, the telescope's ability to observe at night is limited. A better light gathering capability would be useful. 5. A carrying case for the spotting scope is not included. This is a drawback in terms of portability and requires an extra cost. Let's move on to another product that will be a pleasure to get to know. Celestron PowerSeeker 1270Q telescope. This manual equatorial Newtonian reflector with a 127mm aperture is an excellent entry-level telescope for observing planets, lunar craters and deep space objects. The slow-motion bar makes it easy to track celestial objects. It offers different magnification options with 20mm and 4mm eyepieces. Lightweight and compact, it can be taken anywhere. Each product has its own unique features, advantages and disadvantages. Positive reviews. 1. The Celestron PowerSeeker 1270Q is ideal for novice astronomers. Its manual German equatorial mount makes tracking celestial objects easy and encourages learning. 2. The wide aperture of 127mm allows me to collect more light, resulting in brighter, clearer images. I can easily see the surface details of the Moon and the large red spot on Jupiter. 3. The telescope mount and tripod are very sturdy, ideal for outdoor use. I can use it safely in all weather conditions. 4. The inclusion of various eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens provide different magnification options and help me to explore different celestial objects. 5. The setup of the telescope is simple and straightforward, and its portable design makes it easy to take to different observing locations. Negative reviews. 1. The focusing mechanism is sometimes difficult to use and lacks precision when fine adjustment is required. 2. I would have preferred the finder to be of a higher quality as I find it difficult to get accurate alignment. 3. Mounting settings need to be checked and adjusted frequently, which can be time-consuming for long-term observations. 4. The telescope and tripod together are quite heavy. Although portable, this weight may be a problem for some users. 5. When used in areas with dense city lighting, the night vision capability is not as good as expected. Better light collection and filters could be added.